I was just out for my, basically my ride on my bicycle, and I had an unfortunate accident where I ran into a dog and really did some damage. And when I woke up, I knew what the injuries, it just wasn't a routine fall off the bicycle, get up, and then, ride again. I knew I was going to need help because I was going to need surgery and all that, and I knew I had to get a lawyer that would definitely be interested in taking my case and doing a good job for me. And, well, I knew I needed a lawyer or something because when the accident happened, the owners of the dog didn't come forward right away. So I was kind of worried that, I was just going to get stuck with all the bills and everything, and they weren't going to come forward and they wouldn't be found. A lawyer that would work case by case, one at a time. And I heard Kenny does that. He'll work on one case and go 100% through with it before taking 2 or 3 other ones and trying to work them all at once. When Kenny takes a case, he looks into it 100%, and he'll fight right to the end for everything possible. My son actually found Kenny and he suggested him to me, and now since it's all over, I'm totally satisfied with the work that Kenny did for me. His knowledge of everything, of all the laws and everything, what was required and what I had to do in order to, to get a settlement.
Well, I was just amazed at the amount of research that was done. And a lot of things came out that he didn't even know about his injury, mostly because Kenny did so much medical research, and he has such a strong background in head injuries and concussion in particular, which is what he suffered along with all the broken bones and stuff, that he knew so much about it. Actually, I think we got more interested and started reading up about it and things to look for. I mean, it was kind of worrisome, but indeed it was much worse than we had thought. And again, his knowledge of the medical part of it, he had attended seminars and so much, that really impressed me, that he would take all that time to research his particular injury, compare it to others, what to look for, and it kept us aware of what to look for and questions to ask the doctor and so forth. And I think it helped a lot in the healing process. So that was a really nice, comforting thing, along with his general, he's just so likable. He's a human being. He's, like a friend. He's, you never have to worry about talking to him. He's like the guy next door or something, along with all his incredible knowledge and professionalism. Yes, he was amazing. He really was.
Explaining everything and going through the procedure and how long everything would take, and just the knowledge of it, and just knowing exactly how long everything would take. I would say they're very professional. They know exactly what they have to do, and they follow through and they do it. I'm glad it is all over. Because 2 years from the accident, it's just seemed longer than that. That's all. Because when you go through everything, you're always waiting on certain things. But now that it's over, I'm very satisfied.